Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Just wanted to let you know, yesterday I went to the machine shop and picked up the 360 block. It's all done. It's been bored out, 30 over. I haven't had a chance to put it on the engine stand yet. And yeah, lighting here sucks. This is just a quick video. Updating you on what's going on. I'll get you a better look at this thing here in a couple days. The other thing I did is I got the pistons, the new Keith Black pistons, put on the connecting rods and got them swapped over, and I had the small end of the connecting rod bored, or I should say honed out. So now it's a free floating piston instead of pressed on. And not that that makes much of a difference really on a daily driver, or even what I'm using this truck for, which is a daily driver and hauling stuff and everything. It's but if something does happen, or if I decide that, yeah, maybe my choice in pistons was wrong, it'll be easy enough to change back over. I also have another complete set of connecting rods that haven't been honed out, so you know, I can always use those. But anyway, that's just a bit of a quick update. I have a new camshaft that I ordered as well, and nothing major. It is it's about maybe a half a step above what came with this stock. And reason why I did that is, yeah, we're going with fairly new parts here. May as well throw the a new camshaft in it, and you know, that way there, hopefully I'm getting a another 200,000 mile engine when I'm done. Anyway, the I'll share the when I get the cam card, I'll share all the specs for the cam. But basically it is meant for low end torque, not high RPM, high horsepower. The specs on it says, you know, basically it kicks in and it's good from 800 RPMs to 5,000. So this I think this truck has seen 4,500 RPMs 3 times since I've owned it, and once was by accident. I thought I was in gear, but I wasn't. But anyway, that's just a real quick update. And thank you all for subscribing. I really do appreciate all the subscribers, all the new subscribers. Thank you. All the old subscribers that have been with me since I first started this channel, thank you so much for sticking with me. I really appreciate it. And yeah, the channel's growing. And that's all thanks to you guys. You know, I really do appreciate it. And y'all have yourselves a good day. And I don't want to babble on and make this too long, so y'all have a good day, and we'll catch you on the next one.